Where'd you put the piece of chicken? Huh? Where's it at? Where's it at, Shadow? Huh? Where'd you put the chicken? Is it here? Can I look for it? Huh? Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Huh? Where's it at? Where is it at? Where's the chicken, Shadow? Am I getting close? Maybe here?
Shadow can refer to multiple things, including...
Where's the chicken, Shadow? Hmm? You're gonna give it away. You're gonna give it away. Where? There? Not very smart. Not very smart, Shadow. Is it here? Hey! Eat from it, right? I don't think it's here. Where'd you put the chicken? Where's the chicken? Huh? No. Oh. Oh, did you put a stick standing up? Is that what you do? A stick standing up is where your stashes are, huh? Here somewhere. Stick standing up is... No, that's not a stick standing up. Hey, Shadow? No. Are you looking? Yes, you are. Am I getting close? Yes, I am. Where is that? That Shadow. Alaska, what'd you find? Alaska found your stash, I think, Shadow. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where'd you put it? Huh? Where is it at? Look at Alaska's eating all your stashes. Not sure where you put the chicken. You did it. You hit it really fast. All right, I'll leave you.
Introducing the new Volvo XC90 with 7-seat versatility,